Good morning, everyone. Now we start our class. Today we discuss the old topics, as you already know about that, very common topics. Firstly, we are moving about the alkane, then the alkynes. Okay, you know about that, in which the first things are there. Firstly, we know about the general formula, that is the CN H2N plus 2. What is the mean in general formula? In the general formula, we have the basic structure of an series. Okay, suppose we have the Cn. N is the number of carbon. What are the N's? N are the number of carbons. Suppose we have the C, N is the 1, C1, H 2 into 2, 2 into 1 plus 2. That become as the CH4. So that is the first member of our alkane. So that is called as the methane. In the last, AN is there. It is called as the methane. Everyone know about that. So first member is alkane, that is called as the methane. In the same form, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10, C5H12. In that form, we are having some difference between them. It is called the CH2. How much difference? That difference is equal to the how much you are just saying CH2 molecules. Now we are having a CH2. Carbon is 12 units. Hydrogen is 1, is multiplied by 2, that become as the 14 units. So different in the first and the second will be the how much? That they have the 14 units. So in this way we are having the one kind of the series in which we have the difference in the CH2 and molecular difference in the 14 units. And in this way, we are creating a one kind of series. That series is called the homologous series. In the homologous series, all members having the same type of the functional group, and they are having the difference in the CH2, and they have the molecular weight difference in the 14 atomic mass unit. In this way, that is called as the series of the alkanes. Okay, that is the two topics are there. First is the alkane series. Then we have what is the homologous series. In this way, we come to know about that CH4, CH2, CH3, and in that part, we are having the two important terms, that is called as the bistrital structure. That is called as this is called as the structural formula, and other one is called as the dot formula. Dot structure, in which carbon is 6, 2, 4, hydrogen is 1, that is called as the 1. Then we indicate the number of electrons. Just we have the carbon have the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hydrogen is indicated by the 1H, 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 like this. In this way, hydrogen has the 2 fulfill, then the 2 fulfill, then the 2 fulfill, then the 2 fulfill. And in this way, carbon has the 8 electrons in the middle of that structure. So all that things are very important. General formula. Then we have series formation. Then we have that is called as the bond structure formula, structure formula. Then it is called as the electron dot formula. All that formulas are very important for your examinations. And everyone firstly draw the all structures for the methane, ethane, ethene, like this are there. Everyone firstly complete the series, then everyone draw the that structure, then the electron dot structure of the all that series. Okay, thank you.